Welcome back to our Lean Revolution saga. Chapter 2. Wastes and how to fight them. Duplicate requirements. Repetition is the mother of all learning. Unknown. I cannot agree more with this quote. I know this to be true because this is how I learned English, and how I'm currently learning Spanish. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Regretfully, authors of typical procedures often think that they are teachers, and they have to say the same thing over and over. Repetition and duplication in procedures clutter the message and blur the content. Typical duplications include the repetition of what is already defined in other process-specific documents. Here are a few examples. A training matrix requires that an assembler be trained on the Orange Widget Assembly. One of the Orange Widget Assembly procedure requirements states again, only trained personnel may perform Orange Widget Assembly. This is duplication and waste. The records matrix defines retention of the management system records, stating, among others, that Orange Widget test reports are maintained for 5 years within the records depository. Mentioning retention time in the procedure is also duplication and waste. The supplier qualification system and the Approved Supplier List provides evidence of the approval of suppliers. A statement that only approved suppliers can be used to purchase Blue Shim for the Blue Widget is duplication and waste. Often, procedures define responsibilities as follows. The quality manager or a designee approves document change requests. The organizational structure, in whatever form, has already defined who reports to whom, and established subordinate relations and therefore designees. When the quality manager wins a lottery and forgets to come back to work, the quality engineer reporting to the manager will approve the change, no? Some companies include the distribution list in their procedures. The purpose of such listings in procedures is inconceivable. To know where a copy of the procedure should be, one has to see each procedure. Isn't this information, hopefully, already in the document change records? Most likely it is. The next time you write or revise a procedure, make sure you do not repeat what is already defined in your other management system documents. If one duplicates information, it is not if, but when duplications become discrepant. This concludes our duplicate requirements session. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to purchase a paperback or ebook copy, click the links below. Both are available on Amazon, and you can find the ebook on our website. Until next time.